Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, aTYR Pharma Incorporated just filed an 8-K, and I'm seeing a significant shift in their global strategy. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. This filing signals a major step in aTYR Pharma regaining full control of a promising drug for a rare lung disease. Alright, so what we have here is a current report from aTYR Pharma filed on the 30th of July 2026. It's all about a material definitive agreement that has been terminated. Basically, this is a formality to let everyone know about a big change in a business deal. The company we are looking at is aTYR Pharma Incorporated. They are a biopharmaceutical company focused on developing medicines for severe diseases. You might have seen their ticker symbol aTYR on the Nasdaq Capital Market. They are in the healthcare biotechnology sector and currently have a market cap of about $48 million with a stock price around 49 cents as of this report. They are a smaller company with around 58 employees. This report is filed because of specific rules set by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. These rules are designed to keep investors informed about important company events in a timely manner. The key date here is the 30th of July 2026. This is when the main event, the termination of a significant agreement, officially happened. This section is the heart of the filing. It tells us that a big contract the company had is now over, and it's not just over, it's been formally terminated. So this isn't entirely out of the blue. The company had already told us back in May that Kyorin Pharmaceutical Company, a Japanese company, was planning to end their collaboration agreement. Kyorin had the right to end this agreement without a specific reason, and it was set to officially end 90 days after they gave notice. Now, on the 30th of July, both aTYR Pharma and Kyorin signed a new agreement. This new agreement is called a termination agreement. It basically confirmed that the 30th of July would be the final day for their old deal. They also agreed to end any other smaller contracts tied to that main agreement and worked out how to wrap things up. This is the really big news. When the agreement ended, Kyorin lost its license to develop and sell a specific drug called efzofitimod in Japan, particularly for a type of lung disease called interstitial lung disease. Crucially, all these rights have now gone back to aTYR Pharma. This means aTYR Pharma now has the exclusive global rights to this drug. This is a massive strategic win, consolidating all control and potential future profits under one roof. They are no longer sharing or dependent on a partner for this specific drug's development and commercialization worldwide. They are telling us that this summary is just the highlights. The full details are in another document, Exhibit 99.1, which is attached to this filing. This section is where they list all the attached documents. Here is where we see the actual exhibits filed with this report. This is the key document, the termination agreement itself, between aTYR Pharma and Kyorin. This is where all the nitty-gritty details of their separation are laid out. This is a technical file for data processing, common INC filings. This is where company officers sign off, confirming the information is accurate. Jill M. Broadfoot, the Chief Financial Officer, has signed this report, attesting to its accuracy on behalf of aTYR Pharma Incorporated. This tells us her role in the company. The report was officially signed and submitted on the 31st of July 2026. So what does this all mean for aTYR Pharma? This termination effectively means they have bought back the rights to their drug efzofitimod for the Japanese market and now control it globally. This is a big deal because it centralizes their strategy and potentially opens up new avenues for development and partnerships without needing Kyorin's approval. While Kyorin initiated the termination, aTYR Pharma has come out of this by regaining full control, which is often a positive step for a drug developer. It simplifies their operations and allows them to pursue their vision for efzofitimod without external constraints in Japan. Looking at the broader context, companies often reacquire rights when they believe they can generate more value on their own or when a partnership isn't progressing as hoped. For a company of aTYR Pharma's size, regaining full global rights is a significant move that could either drive future growth or necessitate more resources to execute. What I am actually looking for is how they plan to fund the global development of efzofitimod, now that they have all the rights. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description.